Long ago, people lived very differently. There was no AI. There were no smartphones. There were no chatbots. No machines that could answer questions. People did many things by hand. If a student had a question, the student asked a teacher. If a person wanted information, they opened a book. If someone wanted to write a letter, they used paper and a pen. Then they waited many days for an answer. Life was slower. People walked more. People talked more face to face. Families sat together at the table. Children played outside. Neighbors visited neighbors. Work was different too. Farmers worked in the fields from morning to night. Doctors wrote notes by hand. Teachers used chalk on the board. Office workers typed on big machines. Everything took more time. Sometimes this was hard. Sometimes people felt tired because work was long. But people learned patience. Then the world changed. Computers came. The internet came. Phones became smarter. And then AI arrived. AI means artificial intelligence. AI can read. AI can write. AI can answer questions. AI can help people learn. AI can create pictures. AI can translate languages. AI can even talk with people. Today, many people use AI every day. A student asks AI for help with homework. A writer asks AI for ideas. A doctor uses AI to study information. A business uses AI to save time. A traveler uses AI to translate words in another country. AI is now part of everyday life. For many people, AI is helpful. It saves time. It gives ideas. It helps people learn faster. It helps people who feel alone. It helps people who do not know where to begin. But some people feel worried too. They ask, will AI take jobs? Will people stop thinking? Will machines become too powerful? These are important questions. No one knows everything about the future, but many people believe this. AI will be a tool, like a pen, like a computer, like a phone. A tool can help, but people decide how to use it. The future with AI may look very different. Maybe in the future, students will learn with AI teachers. Doctors will find sickness faster. Cars will drive by themselves. People will talk with anyone in any language. Machines will help clean oceans. Robots will help older people at home. Farmers will grow more food with less waste. Scientists will discover new medicines. Maybe AI will help solve big problems in the world. But one thing is still true. People are important. AI can answer, but people feel. People dream. People love. People care. AI can write words, but people give meaning to words. AI can make pictures, but people imagine them first. AI can help build the future, but humans choose the future. Maybe the best future is not humans without AI, and not AI without humans. Maybe the best future is humans and AI together, working together, learning together, growing together. A child today may grow up with AI everywhere. For that child, AI may feel normal, like electricity, like the internet, like a mobile phone. But for older people, AI feels new, fast, exciting, sometimes a little scary. That is okay. Every new thing feels different at first. Years ago, people were afraid of computers. Years ago, people were afraid of the internet. Today, these things are normal. Maybe AI will become normal too. The future is not written yet. Tomorrow is still open. And every person helps create tomorrow. Maybe a teacher, maybe a student, maybe a mother, maybe a father, maybe an artist, maybe a scientist, maybe you. You may use AI to learn English. You may use AI to write stories. You may use AI to study. You may use AI to build something new. The future can be bright. Technology changes, but the human heart stays important. Before AI, people dreamed about the future. Today, with AI, people are building the future. And tomorrow, the future continues. One idea, one question, one dream at a time.
Questions for practice. What did people use before AI? Why are some people worried about AI? What can AI do today? How can AI help people in the future? Do you think AI is good? Why?